Today we are going to learn for loops, which is our second statement or loop of flow of control. A for loop consists of two parts, a header and a body. The header controls how the body is executed, and the header itself consists of three parts, an initializing statement, a condition, and an expression. So let's proceed with an example. And this is our program. Our program starts from int main, and firstly we have defined the variable sum and initialize it to 0. And next our for loop comes. Each statement of the for loop is separated by a semicolon. First statement is int val equal to 1. This means we have defined a variable and initialized it to 1. The next is val less than equal to 10, which is a condition, and the last one is val plus plus. The most important point that the scope of a variable val is only inside the loop. If you try to print or see out val outside the loop body, an error will occur. Val is not a global variable, but our sum variable is a global variable. This is because it is defined or declared outside the loop body. Next, coming to the body of for loops, our first statement is sum plus equal to val. This means the value of val is added to sum. And the second statement in the loop body is cout val space sum at every single iteration. And the main thing, the expression given in the for loop plus plus val is executed at the end of each execution of the loop. So let's understand how this loop works. The initial value of val is 1, then condition is checked whether it is less than or equal to 10, and then the value of val is added to sum, and the next statement displays the current value of val and sum, which is 1 and 1 for first iteration. Then the value of val is updated and increased by 1. Now the val becomes 2. The condition is checked again. If true, then val is added to sum. The previous value of sum was 1, and now after adding the value of val to sum, it becomes 3. This time it will print 2 and 3. So this process carries until val becomes greater than 10. So our outputs will show the value of val and sum for each increment of val.